Welcome back, AI builders and knowledge seekers. Today, we're diving into one of the most practical and powerful techniques in modern AI, retrieval, augmented generation, or RAG. If you've ever used an AI chatbot that could answer questions about your own documents or provide up-to-date information, you've likely experienced RAG in action. This approach is transforming how AI systems interact with information, making them smarter and more reliable. Let's explore how RAG enables AI to go beyond memorization and become a true research assistant. Traditional language models have a significant limitation. They only know what they were trained on, and that knowledge is frozen at a certain point in time. They can't look up current events, access your private documents, or verify facts against reliable sources. RAG changes the game by giving AI a sort of library card. This means the AI can retrieve relevant information from external sources and use it to generate more accurate and up-to-date responses. Imagine an AI that can do research before answering your questions. This is the promise of RAG. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is an AI framework that combines information retrieval with text generation. The goal is to produce responses that are more accurate, factual, and context-aware. Here's the core idea. First, the system retrieves relevant information from knowledge sources. Next, it augments the AI's context with this information. Finally, it generates responses based on both its internal knowledge and the retrieved facts. Think of RAG as a brilliant student who knows exactly which books to consult in a library and how to weave that information into their answers. RAG is important for several reasons. It reduces AI hallucinations, those moments when AI makes up facts. It provides up-to-date information, enables domain-specific expertise, and even allows the AI to cite its sources. This means you get more trustworthy, accurate, and relevant answers. Whether you need current news, private document insights, or specialized knowledge, RAG makes AI more useful and reliable for real-world applications. Let's break down how RAG works into 3 clear steps. First is the retrieval phase. When a user asks a question, the system searches its knowledge base for relevant information using semantic search. Next comes the augmentation phase. The original question is combined with the retrieved information to create a rich context for the AI. Finally, in the generation phase, the language model uses both its pre-trained knowledge and the new information to generate a well-grounded answer. The magic of RAG is that the AI learns to prefer the retrieved facts over its own memory when possible. In the retrieval phase, the system starts by taking the user's question and searching its knowledge base for the most relevant information. This isn't just a simple keyword search, it uses semantic search to find content that's conceptually similar to the question. The system then returns the most relevant documents or text chunks, setting the stage for more accurate answers. This step ensures that the AI has access to the latest and most pertinent information before it even begins to generate a response. Once the relevant information is retrieved, the augmentation phase begins. Here, the system combines the original question with the new information, creating an enriched context for the AI. This context may include instructions on how to use the retrieved facts and is carefully structured to help the AI generate the best possible answer. By augmenting the prompt, the AI is guided to use the most relevant and accurate information available. In the generation phase, the language model takes over. It uses its pre-trained knowledge, the retrieved information, and the conversation context to generate a response. The result is an answer that's not only accurate, but also well-grounded in real data. This step is where the AI truly shines, synthesizing information from multiple sources to provide clear and reliable answers. What makes RAG truly special is its ability to prioritize retrieved information over its internal memory. When relevant facts are available, the AI learns to rely on them, reducing the risk of hallucinations and outdated answers. This preference for external knowledge is what sets RAG apart from traditional language models and makes it so effective for real-world use cases. A RAG system is made up of several key components. The knowledge base stores documents, databases, and APIs, everything the AI might need to reference. The retriever uses semantic search engines and embedding models to find the most relevant information. The generator, typically a large language model, synthesizes this information into human-like responses. Finally, the orchestrator manages the entire pipeline, ensuring smooth operation and handling errors or fallbacks as needed. The knowledge base is the foundation of any RAG system. It can include document collections, databases, APIs, PDFs, websites, and internal documents. This base is constantly updated with new information, making it possible for the AI to access both general and domain-specific knowledge. Whether you're working with public data or private company documents, the knowledge base is where RAG systems start their search for answers. The retriever is responsible for finding the most relevant information in the knowledge base. It uses advanced semantic search engines, embedding models to understand meaning, and efficient similarity search algorithms. The retriever also ranks and scores the relevance of each result, ensuring that only the best information is passed on to the next stage. This component is crucial for making sure the AI has the right facts at its fingertips. The generator is typically a large language model like GPT, Claude, or Llama. Its job is to take the enriched context, combining both its own knowledge and the retrieved facts, and generate a human-like response. The generator must understand context, synthesize information, and produce answers that are clear, accurate, and relevant. This is where the AI's communication skills come into play. The orchestrator is the behind-the-scenes manager of the entire RAG pipeline. It coordinates the flow of information between the retriever, generator, and knowledge base. The orchestrator also handles error cases, manages fallbacks, and ensures a smooth user experience. By monitoring performance and quality, it keeps the whole system running efficiently and effectively. One of the biggest benefits of RAG is improved accuracy. By grounding responses in verified information, RAG reduces factual errors and hallucinations. It can provide citations and sources, making outputs more trustworthy. This accuracy is especially important in fields where reliable information is critical, such as healthcare, law, and research. RAG systems can access current information, overcoming the limitations of training data cutoffs. This means they can integrate real-time data and dynamically update their knowledge. Whether it's breaking news, recent research, or the latest company policies, RAG ensures that AI responses are always up to date. RAG enables AI to work with private or proprietary data, providing domain-specific expertise without the need for retraining. This makes it highly customizable for different use cases, from healthcare to finance to education. RAG systems can rapidly adapt to new domains, making them versatile tools for businesses and organizations. Implementing RAG is often more cost-effective than fine-tuning large language models. It allows for faster deployment and can be reused across different domains. With scalable knowledge updates, organizations can keep their AI systems current without incurring high retraining costs. This makes RAG a practical choice for many real-world applications. RAG is revolutionizing customer support by integrating company knowledge bases and product documentation. It enables support agents and chatbots to resolve tickets quickly and accurately, providing 24/7 service. Customers benefit from faster, more reliable answers, while companies can scale their support operations efficiently. In the enterprise world, RAG systems help employees search and synthesize internal documents, provide policy guidance, and assist with onboarding. Decision support systems powered by RAG can analyze vast amounts of data, helping organizations make informed choices and streamline operations. RAG is a powerful tool for education and research. It can analyze academic papers, summarize textbooks, and assist with research projects. Students and researchers benefit from AI-powered learning companions that provide explanations, answer questions, and help navigate complex topics. In healthcare, RAG systems can review medical literature, synthesize patient information, and support clinical decisions. They assist medical professionals with research and provide up-to-date guidance, improving patient care and supporting medical research efforts. Legal professionals use RAG for case law research, contract review, and regulatory compliance. RAG systems can analyze legal documents, provide explanations, and help prepare documents, making legal work more efficient and accurate. Building an effective RAG system starts with a well-designed knowledge base. Documents should be clean, well-structured, and appropriately chunked. Metadata and tagging systems help organize information, while regular updates ensure the AI always has access to the latest data. Retrieval optimization is key to RAG's success. High-quality embedding models, effective similarity metrics, and hybrid search approaches, combining keyword and semantic search, improve the relevance of retrieved information. Relevance tuning and filtering further refine the results, ensuring the AI gets the best possible data. Prompt engineering is about crafting clear instructions for the AI, ensuring it uses the retrieved context effectively. This includes citation and source attribution, handling conflicting information, and fallback strategies for poor retrieval. Well-designed prompts help the AI deliver accurate and helpful answers. Evaluation metrics are essential for measuring RAG system performance. These include retrieval relevance scores, answer accuracy, citation quality, and user satisfaction. Regular evaluation helps identify areas for improvement and ensures the system meets user needs. Building RAG systems comes with challenges. Retrieval quality can suffer if irrelevant documents are included, so better chunking and re-ranking are needed. Context limits can overwhelm the AI, requiring selective inclusion and summarization. Conflicting information must be managed with source prioritization and confidence scoring. Persistent hallucinations call for better prompting and verification steps. The future of RAG includes advanced retrieval techniques like multi-hop reasoning across documents and cross-modal retrieval that integrates text, images, and tables. Real-time web search and intelligent source selection will make RAG systems even more powerful, enabling them to handle complex queries and provide richer answers. Improvements in generation will allow RAG systems to use context more effectively, integrate citations naturally, and handle complex reasoning across multiple documents. Enhanced fact verification will further reduce errors, making AI responses even more reliable and trustworthy. RAG's future includes specialized applications in scientific research, business intelligence, personalized education, and healthcare diagnostics. These advancements will accelerate discovery, enhance decision-making, and provide tailored support in a wide range of fields. As RAG technology evolves, it's becoming more accessible. Easier implementation tools, open-source frameworks, pre-built connectors, and educational resources are making it possible for more people and organizations to build their own RAG systems. This democratization will drive innovation and expand the impact of AI. RAG represents a fundamental shift in AI, moving from pure memorization to intelligent research assistance. By combining the strengths of large language models with precise information retrieval, we're building systems that are both knowledgeable and accurate. This new approach is unlocking smarter, more capable AI for everyone. As RAG technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated applications. From personalized learning to advanced diagnostics, RAG will help AI systems truly understand and leverage human knowledge. The future of AI is not just about knowing more, but about knowing where to look and how to use information wisely.